Hello, I welcome you to Kwadwo Safo Studios. Yeah, I've had a lot of calls from customers asking me about duties and all that. Yeah, so I'm here today to explain into details for everyone to know. Kwadwo is behind the camera and he will be asking me questions so that I also answer to you guys.
Okay. Adora, once again, welcome to Kwadwo Safo Studios.
Thank you.
Okay, so there's been numerous calls. Personally, people have called me asking me questions as to whether you pay duty after buying Kantanka cars. But before we move on, what are the available cars at Kantanka? I mean, what are the cars that Kantanka is selling?
Okay, we have 5 models now.
Okay,
let's say 4 and then 1 Aboboya. So we have Obrempon pickup, we have Omoanimaa pickup, we have Onantefo, the 7-seater SUV, and we have K71 Pro, the 5-seater SUV.
Okay.
And currently we have Kantanka Boafo, which is the latest Aboboya, the 4-tie Aboboya. Yeah.
Okay. So that is the quad cycle.
Yes, please.
The quad cycle. Okay. So how much is the Obrempon?
Obrempon is 588,000 Ghana cedis.
And
Omoanimaa is going for 450,000 Ghana cedis.
Okay.
Yes.
And Onantefo?
Onantefo is 428,000 Ghana cedis.
Okay.
And then K71 Pro is 280,000 Ghana cedis.
Okay.
And with the quad bag, it's going for 65,000 Ghana cedis. But you can pre-order on 55,000 Ghana cedis to be ready in January.
Okay.
Yes,
okay.
January.
Thank you very much. Now, people are still saying that you have to pay duty after buying Kantanka vehicles.
Okay.
Why do I have to pay duty after buying Kantanka vehicles?
There's no truth in that. So when you purchase Kantanka vehicle, you are not going to pay any duty on it. It's duty free. And we will also register for you for free. It's a gift we give to our customers for patronizing us. So there's no duty on Kantanka vehicles.
There is no duty.
No duty.
Okay. But when you saying
we no minyana 500,000
Ghana cedis. Okay.
We ekofo kan e ya de won kofo breti so to pay duty. There's nothing true.
Like
what we mean land see omo be sa land samami.
Kantanka automobile.
Yeah.
It's nice. Obi obeto Kantanka car bia no.
Omo balance.
You are not going to pay duty.
No.
You're also not going
at
to.
All.
They are the ones going to license it for you.
Duty say be no kofo kan.
Okay.
Me jina ka say nukura bi eni ase no mo kan.
Okay.
There's nothing true. Oto awato.
Okay. I see.
Lances so omo be yes so lances amount. Je lances ma view dey view okode. One na be you be bia.
Okay. License is like registration.
Yeah, registration 7% check.
There is no duty. So why are people spreading this this rumor or this issue of paying duty? Because it has actually deterred a lot of people away from buying Kantanka cars, because they think they have this perception that why do I have to buy a home built vehicle and still pay duty for it? I mean, why are people spreading this particular?
I don't know why they are doing that, but all I can say is, in case you hear of anything concerning duties, you can call the Kantanka showroom on 0242 037 429. 0242 037 429. You can call and then ask more information, ask whatever you want to know, and I'm always available to answer to every one of you.
So if you say they should call you, what are the days that Kantanka Automobile work? Okay,
we work on Monday to Friday. To Friday, yes.
So from Monday to Friday, we want the time so that we know exactly
8 a.m. to 5 p.m. So on Monday to Friday, 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. But on Fridays, we close at 3 p.m.
Okay.
Yes.
So Mondays to Thursdays
is 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. On Fridays is 8 a.m. to 3 p.m.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
That is fine.
Yeah.
That is fine. Now, we want to also know about your payment plan. Okay. We want to know about the payment plan. What is the payment plan of Kantanka?
Okay, so with the pickup, that Obrempon, Omoanimaa, and then the Onantefo SUV, you can pay half, then we spread the rest for 6 months.
Okay.
So you pay half, then we spread the rest for 6 months. But with the K71, it's full cash down. Yeah, we don't have a payment plan for K71.
Why don't you have a payment plan for K71?
Because when we want to split the payment, it's going to delay production.
Okay.
Yes, we don't also want that. We want the car to be available in anytime someone walks in, so that you can pay and then take your vehicle away.
So,
that's
assuming someone wants to buy K71 but want to opt for a payment plan, can't you even give the person up to maybe 2 or 3 months?
You can call me and we work something out for you, so you don't have to worry. Just call me, I'll work something out for you.
Okay, so for K71, no duty, no payment plan. What about the quad cycle?
Quad cycle, same, no payment plan, but we are now taking orders, let's say pre-orders.
Okay.
So you can pay half, when it's ready, then you add the other half. So it's more like you have 2 months to pay. Yes.
Oh, okay. Because the quad cycle is not ready currently, and production is ongoing. If anybody wants it, the person would have to make that is pay within the production time.
Yes.
And that is, if the person wants to opt for a payment plan, the person will pay how much? How much is the initial deposit?
Okay, so pre-order is 55,000.
Okay.
Meaning you get a discount of 10,000.
Okay.
Yeah, so you can pay 35 when it's ready. Then you pay the 20,000.
Okay.
Yes.
I see. That is really cool. That is really cool. For the pre-order is 55,000.
Yes.
But if you want to opt for a payment plan,
price is
65. But if you want to opt for a payment plan,
you can split it into 2.
You pay 35,000 and pay 20,000
when it's ready.
When it's ready.
Yes.
Oh my goodness. Okay. Then that is really cool. That is really cool. Okay, so for Kantanka Onantefo, there is a payment plan. For Brempong, there is a payment plan.
And then for Mama.
Okay.
Yes.
But you don't have any payment plan of up to 1 year.
No. Currently it's 6 months.
Currently it's 6 months.
Yes. Currently it's 6 months.
Okay, but people would want to ask, would there be that opportunity where Kantanka would consider spreading payment plan to 1 year?
Yes.
Do you see that in the future?
Oh yes, of course. We have instances where we have 1 year payment plan.
Okay, tell us about it.
Okay, we only extend our payment plan when we have a lot in stock.
Okay.
A lot in stock, let me put it that way. Yeah, but currently we are having only 6 months payment plan. So you pay half, then we spread the rest for 6 months.
That is really cool.
Yes.
That is really cool. Okay, so we are very grateful. Now, when it comes to the payment plan, can someone pay? What are the currencies that someone would have to pay?
Oh, when with us we quote in Ghana cedis.
Okay.
But if you insist in paying any other currency, that one too is acceptable.
Okay,
especially say dollars. Yes.
Okay.
But we quote in Ghana cedis.
Okay.
So yes, it's advisable you pay in Ghana since we are in Ghana here. Yes.
Safo, what are your last words to anyone watching this particular video?
Okay, all I can say is let's support our own. Yes, Kantanka is here to stay and to provide the safest and then the affordable vehicles for every one of you here. Yes, so you can always reach me on 0242037429. I'm always here to answer any question or attend
any concerns any concerns that we have. Okay. Yes. Please tell them to subscribe to my YouTube channel. It's very important.
Okay, you can subscribe to Safo Studios for more information concerning Kantanka Automobile.
Okay, thank you very much. Bye.
You're welcome.